This is our Lightburn compatible motherboard 2.0. The packaging bag includes a USB Type-C cable, a laser control wire which is connected to the power supply and control the laser intensity on the computer after plugging in. Last but not least is our new motherboard. Next, we open the cover of the machine and you can see that this is where the power supply and motherboard are. First, unplug the cable from the old motherboard. Unplug the X motor, Y motor, and power wires in order. Then these wires can be connected to our new motherboard. First, plug the power wire into the power slot. Then plug the X motor wire into the X motor slot. Plug the Y motor wire into the Y motor slot. Unplug the limit switches wires of the old motherboard. Plug it into the limit switches slot of the new motherboard. Then plug the laser control wires into the control laser slot of the new motherboard. And plug the other end of the laser control wire into the laser control slot of power supply.